Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy, and in this Open With Me, I was going to do this Encyclopedia of Crochet because for some reason I did actually do a giveaway for an Encyclopedia of Crochet, and did have two of them, and that's why I did a giveaway. I bought one and I had another one as a giveaway. And then this came free in the latest edition of Crochet Now magazine. You got the magazine and you got this free gift, which was a cute cat tape measure, and then the Encyclopedia of Crochet came free with it. So I checked because it didn't look the same as the other one, so I checked on it and it is. So this is the same magazine as the one that I did before. So I've already reviewed it once, so I won't go through it again. But that's to say, this is just a little announcement that I have two of these again now. So I will be doing another giveaway. Now, the last time I did, it came as a giveaway. It came as a magazine in a polythene with a little Amigurumi Rocco raccoon. But this time it just came as a free gift. So there isn't the Amigurumi with it, although I do still have one somewhere, which I might put in. So I'm going to do another giveaway for this Encyclopedia of Crochet. But I don't feel I should go through the magazine, even though it came free with the previous one, because it is identical to the one that I've already done. So what I'll do, at the end of this video, I will put up a link to the Open With Me that reviews this magazine, and watch out, very soon I'll do a giveaway for the magazine, and I might find the Amigurumi and put it in with it, we'll see. So and there's the only difference being this one will say now Crochet Now because it's come as a freebie. If you can hear that, it's just started to snow really hard here, like massive, and the house stones, so if it's a bit noisy, I do apologise. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care and watch out for the giveaway for this magazine.